travel insurance raise the roof in Denver. Stop by the Altitude Authentics locations. Pick up your specially priced item of the game, the travel mug, for just $6. And now, welcome onto the ice some youngsters, the Junior Eagles from Lakewood. Several of these youngsters will be back in the second intermission to take part in a shootout, so stay in your seats after period number 2. And we'll get a chance to meet one of these youngsters coming up in just a moment. How about a big hand as they leave the ice, the Junior Eagles from Lakewood. All right, let's get a chance, or we get a chance to meet one of the youngsters from the Junior Eagles. Thanks for joining us. What was your name?
Jonathan.
Hello, Jonathan. Got anybody tonight you want to say hello to?
Yeah, but they're way over there.
way over there, but you got a microphone. So talk real loud, say their names, and say hello to them over there. Go.
What are they? Go hello.
Remember their names? Say their names.
My Nina, my dad, my sister.
No, say it in here.
I don't want to.
Oh, you got to talk in there. You got to talk in here.
Okay.
Who's out there? Come on, say hello to them.
My Nina, my uncle, my dad, and my cousin, and my sister.
Excellent. Now, they tell me, Jonathan, that you have a nickname. Do we need to know your nickname?
Nacho.
Nacho. Now, why is your nickname Nacho?
Because once I was at a restaurant in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and I was eating nachos, and I didn't share.
And you like the nachos. Well, are you still all done with hockey? Do you play any other sports? You got some baseball maybe coming up this summer?
Every sport.
You what?
I play every sport.
You play every sport. All right.
I actually don't play every sport like as a sport in different stadiums, but I have like a basketball court in my backyard.
We could go on for hours, Jonathan. Thanks for joining us, buddy. Good luck with your team. Jonathan of the Junior Eagles, who loves every sport.